What's up YouTube? It's your boy 37 back again with another video. Today is the first day of kololoautoshow. I am today with the BMWCLUB, as you guys can see. This is Boss Wade say hi to the channel, bro. And this is this car, the X3. The X3M, man, this guy is, look at this man. BBS wheels. I think this is a B48. It sounds so good. I'll show you guys when we are going for a drive. And then today, then there is an F30. There's an F30, the red interior, bro. This car looks so good. This car looks so good. Has downpipes and exhaust. You can see the exhaust is not stock. And F90 taillight. Red interior, man. This car looks so good. Sport train. I throw in a clip for the sound of it. And we are waiting for another X3 with an N55, and there's someone also with an X5, the old gen. And then Sherlock's car, yeah, this is Sherlock's car. This is an N57, yeah, the mighty diesel one. This is E36. This coupe looks so good. I'm here with the owner of the F30.
Hello, how are you? Benedict is my name. This is an F30 316i,
Yeah.
2014 model.
Can you give us a quick review of your car?
It has Epi Racing brakes with discs,
Yeah,
hybrid turbo,
yeah.
FT performance intake pipe with another down pipe down there,
Yeah.
charged intercooler.
Just this intercooler.
So you can see very well. We are going to upgrade it with these coilovers. We have the down pipe in there that is going to change on our exhaust systems.
Dame.
The front lip for the exterior modifications.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the F30 that we are trying to build out here.
Bro. Alright guys, we arrived at Ecos Naguru. The drive is here, then we pick up the M8 and then we continue to kololoautoshow. Yes, X3, A36, F30, another F30, another F30, OCI, X5, another X5. We're here at KFC, Ecos Naguru. Oh, there's Salman, you guys should check out. He's a crazy driver. I think he came today with a GTI. Today he came with a GTI. GTI today. Check out him, Salman Motors. In the M8. The bloody M8. The mighty M8. Yeah, shout out to Ecos. You guys need a service done, tires, what? Service for change. Shop here in Naguru. Hey guys, cold start. Cold start. The M8. Yeah, and it comes down, and it comes down. Agropropic. Yeah, dude, guys, yeah. Man, check out this. It's converted to an M now. It's now a BMW GTI. Chai boys. This guy has driven his car and crushed it and fixed it and modified it and rushed it, and I don't know, I think it's cool, man. People with nice cars to be able to bring them out. It's cool. I don't know if the livery is 555. I don't know if it means horsepower or triple, but no, it can't mean horsepower. So I think it's inspired by the Subaru Super 5 Legend. 1.5 grills and wood with some paint match. Dude, these things look so good. they're gonna put lips on this. I think this car's going to drive Gymkhana today. So yeah, that's right. Right now this is Salman Motors. This is a Cooley 36, the M8 Eco, Ford Raptor, and X3. I'm going to be riding it. Mr. already in the X3, and then Sherlock's X5. And now we're heading to Kololo. We have gathered to Ecos. Now we're heading to Kololo. Yeah. B48 N20. How much? The M8. Damn. X5 N55. The end of the morning. You're holding me tight.
Which is the last cup. All of them are
Yeah, make the close the sideways, burn out. Yeah. Yeah. Now we arrived at the BMWCLUB. That's the kololoautoshow. This is the first day. This is a Friday. Now I know it's an auto show, but it's yeah, this is also an automobile. Okay, this is a Bell 505. It's a multi-engine helicopter. Yeah, I review one motor here, one motor there, two motors, the controls. Yeah, the landing. I don't know what the fuck that is called. The exhaust, titanium exhaust, you can see, and the wings. I guess I made your day if you're a aircraft lover. Right, now this is the BMW drive right now. We're supposed to like
That was the most loved car of 2025.
go around.
2026, the Tunadilaba. For 2025, we have the M8 competition. Driven by the man himself, Marisa, or Eco S. Musajja Makanika, Akola Service. Our Nakuru.
Okay, bro.
The list of drifters, from drifter number 1 to drifter number last. How you're going to start from drifter number 1 to drifter number last. We have in the auto shop of 3 days, they will have everyone of Pakistan. This is called the M5.
What on in N20? It's leaking oil. Not oil, it's leaking the same thing, coolant.
Let's have a one from the BMWCLUB, then after have the one from Britain Insurance. Okay. In the automotive world, and we remain the auto show Kampala, Uganda. This is Swizzy. I told you he's called Swizzy. Abantu b'ennyanja mumanyi Najera Chanja n'ebintu ebirunyanyeewo. One of the best drifters we have in Uganda. Yes, thank you very much.
Power.
Yes, this is called Julio. A one-man Julio is also drifter. One-man Julio. Yes, this is Julio. You're talking about drifters. Kampala.